The Nakamichi Dragon Wall Mounts are meticulously crafted from robust stainless steel, ensuring durability and reliability for your audio setup. These mounts are specifically designed for use with the Dragon main unit or Shockwave wireless 11.2.6 surround speakers, offering a tailored fit for these models. Installation is made simple with the included wall mounting anchors, screws, washers, and a convenient template, making the process straightforward even for those less experienced. Nakamichi provides a helpful video guide to assist users through each step of the installation, ensuring that your speakers are securely mounted. Given the substantial weight and size of the Dragon and Shockwave wireless speakers, these mounts are engineered to provide a secure hold, particularly on dry walls with or without wood studs. By using the official Nakamichi wall mounts, you can be confident in the stability and safety of your high-quality surround sound speakers.